How to unblock any account on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and today I will show you how you can unblock any accounts that you have already blocked on your Instagram. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end and follow the following steps. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram app on your device so that you won't miss out any new features. Open your Instagram and then log into your Instagram account. On the down right section, you will see there is a profile linked on it. After that, on the top right side, you will see there are three vertical lines. When you tap on these three vertical lines, you will see a pop-up of many options right here. Among those many options, scroll down and down up until you see the blocked option. When you tap on your blocked options, you can see the people that you have already blocked. And to unblock them, you can simply tap on the unblock option, just like this, and tap on the blue unlock option, and then the person with this account will be unblocked. The next option is also to search for their name and then tap on the profile and simply unblock them. So this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and comment on our video.